The Bevel profile modifier is the key to making a spline-based roof, which you'll find is very flexible and well suited to a lot of standard roof shapes. There are two parts to it, the profile and the path. I'll sketch the path first by using the line tool with vertex snap. I'll sketch that along the outer edge of the building wall and I'll call this roof path. Then I'll go into the front viewport, turn off snap, and pan over some amount. It doesn't matter. I'll create a line and sketch it in over here like this. I clicked 2 points and then right-clicked. The first point that I clicked was down here, roughly at the same elevation as the roof path. It doesn't have to be exact, it's just a tip. This is a placeholder object at this point, which we will be adjusting in the future. I'll call it roof profile. And then I'll go into perspective and zoom out. Select the roof path and assign the Bevel profile modifier to it. Then, within the modifier's parameters, pick the profile and click on the line you drew. And instantly you have a roof. Now, somewhat unusually here, we don't edit the shape of the roof by adjusting the Bevel profile modifier itself. Instead, you modify the shape of the roof with the profile. The actual position of that profile doesn't matter. What does matter is its inner structure. I'll go to the vertex level and select this upper vertex, and I'll move it up, and that will change the height of our roof. If I move it over, we can change the roof slope. Be careful not to pull it out of the XZ plane where it was drawn. To be safe, I'll go into the front viewport where we can see it here, and we can make adjustments and see the result in real time. So this profile is being pushed around the path, and the first vertex, indicated in yellow here in 3ds Max 9, corresponds with the location of the path right here. So what we can do now is adjust this profile shape to get the roof behaving exactly as we want. For example, we might want a soffit and a fascia on our roof, and we can add that. I'll start by moving this first vertex over so that it's directly below the last vertex. Then I'll use insert to insert additional vertices within the path. And I'll do that like this. Maybe I'll go up a little bit and then go over to have a soffit and then go down to create a fascia board. Go up. This is all adjustable. Added a bunch of vertices in there. Now I'll go ahead and make some adjustments. Move this down maybe to create a parapet at the top of the roof. And I'll just adjust the shape here to suit my needs. I'll go back to perspective and see how it looks. I think the overhang maybe is a bit much. I'll just pull that back by grabbing these vertices and moving them over. See how flexible this is? You can adjust anything about it. I think I'll make a steeper sloped roof, maybe a little lower. So it's very flexible. You can also add vertices using refine. For example, I'll refine this segment right in the middle by adding a new vertex there. Then I can use that vertex, pull it out to change the slope of the roof. Now I have a double sloped roof. I think I'll right click on that and change the vertex type to Bezier. Then I can get a curve going in my roof. Just pull that out, make a nice curved roof. Don't lose the profile. You need it to work with the roof itself. If you delete this object, the roof goes flat again, so don't do that. If it bothers you, you can always hide it or move it out of the way. Perhaps we will hide this object once we're done with it.